Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we will see how to make chicken manchurian using Ching's secret Veg Manchurian Masala. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Take 300 grams of minced boneless chicken in a mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon of Smith & John's ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of Ching's secret dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and a little salt. Mix well and make small balls of this and keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan and fry the balls. When it turns golden brown, take it out and keep it aside. Mix 1 packet of Ching's secret Veg Manchurian Masala in 300 ml of water. Ensure that there are no lumps. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and stir fry half a cup of diced onion, quarter cup of diced capsicum, and quarter cup of diced carrot. Stir fry this for 2 minutes and add the masala mixture and the chicken balls. Cook this over low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add some finely chopped spring onion greens and turn off the flame. Chicken manchurian is ready to serve. Please do try and post your feedback.